this is Felicia with Camp Cares. I am going to show you guys a video of our Bleacher Blanket. It is on special this month. For every $35 you spend, you can qualify for a special, and we have a deluxe utility tote this month, and we have the Bleacher Blanket. This is a blast from our past, and I'm so excited to finally get one in my hands. I've always wanted one, and I've never had one. So, like I said, they're a blast from the past. They didn't sell those when I joined. So, here we go. I have it in the charcoal crosshatch. If you do choose to personalize the blanket, it will be front and center right there for you. Auto-sized and auto-centered. This is actually the olive thread here that you're seeing in the personalization. And then I would just kind of want to show you how this bag works. So here it has a pocket in the front, and it's the full size that you're seeing here. Great, so if you're going to the park or something, you can throw in some sippy cups, maybe your wallet, your cell phone, and you can keep it right there. So you're not having to carry extra bags with you. I love that feature. And then the back, the way the blanket folds up, there's actually another pocket. So if that's not enough storage for you, you can throw some more in there. How neat is that, right? So you got the pocket up back here and then one right here. So that is really cool. And then here you'll see that we've got the Velcro snaps here on the side, and that is what keeps your bag together. This is really nice because it's fluffy, so if you're going to a sporting event and maybe the bleachers are kind of cold or too hard to sit on, you can put this down and sit on it, right? Keep it as a seat. It's nice and squishy. But then when it gets cold, you just unsnap that there, and look at the size of this. It's the perfect personal size. So it's nice because it's got this vinyl type material. So you can lay it down if you're having a picnic, right? Just lay it down here, and then the top is fleece. So it's nice and cozy and comfortable to sit on. If you're at the games and it gets kind of chilly, there you go. If you're somebody who gets cold in your vehicle, on road trips, keep this in your car. That's what I'm planning on doing. And then when you get cold, pull it out. And then just wrap yourself with it. It's nice because it stays compact. It's easy to fold up, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. It's neat, and then you'll always have it with you. Maybe get one for the kiddos. My son saw this and just couldn't wait to use it. He said it was cold and he wanted to use the blanket, but let's get real, it's over 100 degrees here. And I'm like, son, seriously, it's not cold. But he was so excited to use it. So there you go. That is our Bleacher Blanket. I just folded it again. Now, of course, you can spend more time and be real super precise with it, but as you can see, I wasn't. And it didn't take me any time to get that folded back up. Okay, and then just snap it closed. Tuck that in there, and there you go. You got a handy little blanket. Isn't that neat? That is so cool. And then there's different print options, right? So if this is not your style, we have different prints to choose from. This is a great gift for someone who has children that are in sporting events. Maybe they play football, lacrosse, soccer, softball, volleyball. You can even personalize it with the sporting the sports that they're in. So even if you have someone who's in dance, you can put that on there. So there are a bunch of different personalization options, and that is such a great gifting idea for someone for the upcoming holidays, maybe a birthday, a housewarming gift. Maybe somebody's having a baby, and wouldn't that be nice to have that personalized with a little kitty footprints, maybe the child's name, and that would be great for the mom to keep in the back, so in case there's an emergency, or like us, we took a road trip that's 12 hours long and I needed to change the baby's diaper, and I didn't have anything big enough. I was in a pinch. My changing pad was stuffed in a bag. I wasn't prepared. I grabbed a sunshade, put it on the floor, and then put a little receiving blanket, and then I changed the baby on top of that. But I should have had one of these. That would have been so nice. So just a couple kind of ideas to what you could use this for. If you're interested in purchasing one, click the link down below. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click subscribe and the notification bell so that when I do upload a video, you are notified. If you'll give this a thumbs up if you like the video, or if it gave you some ideas on how you could use a bleacher blanket, I would love that. It does help me out. I do have some more videos posted, so check out my channel, and thanks for joining us again. My name is Felicia from Camp Cares, and this is our bleacher blanket. All right, we'll talk to you later.